Hello guys, today our topic of discussion is how to decide whether SEO or SMO is better for your website. There are lots of online marketers, agencies, companies are active in the market and they all have the capability to convince you that their specialized particular field is best for your website, and maybe they have their own philosophy behind that. But according to my experience, my take, there are websites we can divide into categories. Suppose, like we all know that SEO, we optimize our websites for making it search engine friendly, and our ultimate goal is to bring it into top position in search engines. Any search engines, whether it's Bing, Yahoo, like these big search engines. So it's SEO. We optimize our website according to search engines. But in SMO, what we do, we do not optimize our website for search engines or even SMO specifically. There is no need to develop any website because SMO means we do promote our websites in social media channels. If my website is not even good, then visitor will come to my website. So whether it's SEO or SMO, it's important to have a customer friendly website. Visitor friendly website will help to gain the confidence of the visitors if they can do the work for what they are coming to website. So suppose I am doing SMO of any e-commerce store. I am presenting some products in the social networks, like there are popular social networks these days. So let's suppose Facebook or Instagram or Google Plus. So suppose I have an e-commerce store. I'm promoting my products in the Facebook, but when someone visit my website, that product is not found it on the destination link. So these are the important things that we need to be careful in the SMO, that we do not piss off the visitors. Respect their time. They are giving their time to visiting your website. So it's your duty to make your website up to date. So now let's talk about our topic. So whether SMO is good or SEO is good for any particular website, I can divide into categories. Suppose I have an e-commerce website. Look, it's not going to be simple majority because there are professionals who can bring you business and traffic through SMO. On the other side, there are professionals which can do the same thing with the SEO. So, but not all the professionals in the market can do that. So now let's come to the point. If I have an e-commerce store, what I will do, if I am going to hire any SEO expert, then one thing in my mind should be clear that it will take up to 2 to 3 months. It depends upon the number of searches on the keywords that I am going to select for that particular project. On the other side, if I have an e-commerce store and I am choosing a specialist for SMO of my website, then I can get the traffic from the first day. However, I have to pay for that traffic, and there is no guarantee that visitors are going to buy from your website. It's your duty to capture the attention of visitors. So whether in SMO point of view, I can get the traffic from the first day itself. However, I have to pay something to the social network for that, and the SMO professionals for his or her services. In SEO, it will take 3 to 4 months normally. In SMO, it can start within few hours. Second thing, SMO is costlier than the SEO. In SEO, if you are going to hire someone for your website, then you have to pay for that professional only. But in SMO, you have to pay to that professional, as well as if you are choosing for advertising, then you have to pay to the social networks also. And the professional will charge for his services only. These things we must be very clear in our mind. Suppose in my take, if I have an e-commerce store, I will start with SMO. On the other hand, if I am providing services like packers and movers, moving companies, real estates, and etc. Not real estate. For real estate, I will go to SEO first. For the packers and mover services, business services, I will go for SEO. So e-commerce stores, travel websites, I will go for SMO first. For the services, products of specific kind, mainly services, I will go for the SEO, because SEO has the potential to bring the lots of traffic to my website, and same potential is also present in SMO, but we have to pay something to get that traffic, and there is no guarantee that they are going to buy that service. And whether in SEO, the visitors who are typing the keyword and coming to my website, they are definitely looking for something related to that keyword. Even they are searching for their competitors, but they have their own purpose. So we can categorize the websites and choose accordingly. If I have packers and mover services, I can start with SEO. If I have a travel website, I can start with SMO, because in travel industry I have lots of images. I can post the destination images, I can do FB, Facebook advertising. So I can also do that in packers and movers also, or any services provider agency, but I need to keep in mind that it's not that much effective to go for SMO first, because you have to spend some money for that. But if you choose the SEO, then your base will become stronger and stronger every month. No matter which professional you are hiring, because whoever is taking the responsibility to rank you, he or she has some knowledge. We need to admit it. However, sometimes we fail to get the ranking, but that does not mean that that person don't have the knowledge. And if you are the client, then it's your responsibility to ask few questions, clear your mind before finalizing the project to any professional or agency. So it's different topic. So whether SEO or SMO, I can categorize the websites. And one point is, if I have lots of images to post and people like to see those images, I can go for SMO. If I am providing services, household services, etc., then I will go for SEO first. No doubt, I will create profiles on different social networks, but my main focus will be SEO for first 2 to 3 months. So it's my take on these vast fields. These both are very essential for any website success, and whether we choose SEO or SMO. SEO is a marathon while SMO is a sprint. SMO can bring lots of traffic to my website within short span of time, but that depends upon the nature of the website. So these are the few things that we need to keep in mind, that if I am providing the services, then SEO is better for me. If my website is travel related, product related, e-commerce, then SMO can be useful for me. Thank you for watching.